When people think of luxury vehicles, they often picture SUVs like the Range Rover, Cadillac Escalade, or Mercedes GLS. But in 2025, some of the most luxurious and powerful rides you can buy aren't SUVs, they're pickup trucks. Today's top trucks are no longer just about hauling or off-road power. They now come packed with high-tech features, soft leather interiors, huge touchscreens, and comfort that can rival or even beat what you find in expensive SUVs. In this video, we'll look at 7 luxury trucks that outclass SUVs in every way. From the insane power of the Ram TRX to the futuristic Tesla Cybertruck, these pickups prove that trucks can be just as stylish, comfortable, and advanced as any luxury SUV on the market. So if you're ready to see how these trucks are rewriting the rules of luxury, let's jump right in. Now, Ram 1500 TRX. The Ram 1500 TRX is one of the wildest trucks on the road. It has a supercharged V8 engine with over 700 horsepower, which lets it blast from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds. It's basically a muscle car in the body of a pickup. But the TRX is more than just power. It comes with special suspension and shock absorbers that make it smooth on the highway and strong off-road. You can take it through dirt, sand, or snow, and it handles it all with ease. Inside, the TRX feels like a luxury lounge. You get leather and suede seats, a giant 12-inch touchscreen, and an amazing sound system. The cabin design makes it feel like you're in a premium SUV, not just a pickup. The TRX is perfect for anyone who wants extreme power mixed with comfort and style. 2. Ram 1500 Tungsten. If you care more about comfort and luxury, the Ram 1500 Tungsten is the truck for you. This is the top trim level of the Ram lineup, and it's designed to feel like a luxury hotel on wheels. The seats can heat, cool, and even massage you. The interior uses premium leather, stylish trim, and high-quality materials everywhere you look. You also get a giant 14.5-inch touchscreen and a powerful 23-speaker audio system that sounds crystal clear. Under the hood, it offers strong engine options, including a twin-turbo 6-cylinder, giving you both power and smooth performance. The Ram Tungsten is perfect for drivers who want the practicality of a truck but don't want to give up the comfort of a luxury SUV. 3. Ford F-150 Limited. The Ford F-150 Limited takes America's best-selling truck and turns it into a luxury machine. This version comes loaded with features like heated and cooled massaging seats, a digital dashboard, and premium materials like wood and leather inside. It also comes with advanced driving tech, including hands-free highway driving. That means the truck can handle long trips with less effort from you. The F-150 Limited isn't just about looks, it's also strong. Its hybrid engine offers great towing power and fuel efficiency, making it both useful and practical. If you want a truck that blends modern luxury with everyday performance, the F-150 Limited is one of the best choices. 4. GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. The GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate is all about mixing luxury with toughness. On the inside, you'll find premium leather, wood trim, and a large, high-quality touchscreen system. It feels every bit as upscale as a luxury SUV. This truck is loaded with features, heated and ventilated seats, a sunroof, wireless charging, and even the option for massaging seats. It's also packed with advanced safety tech to keep you and your family secure. For power, the Denali Ultimate offers a strong V8 engine with plenty of towing ability. It also has adaptive suspension and off-road modes, so it's ready for both city life and outdoor adventures. This truck proves that you don't have to sacrifice luxury if you want a vehicle that can also work hard. 5. Toyota Tundra Capstone. The Toyota Tundra Capstone is Toyota's most luxurious truck ever. It runs on a hybrid V6 engine that gives it strong power while also being smooth and efficient. Inside, the Capstone feels like a Lexus. It has high-end leather seats, wood trim, and extra noise-canceling features that make the cabin very quiet. You'll also find a large infotainment system and plenty of comfort-focused tech. What really makes the Capstone stand out is Toyota's reputation for reliability. You get all the comfort and luxury without worrying about long-term durability. For anyone who wants a truck that's comfortable, stylish, and dependable, the Tundra Capstone is a great pick. 6. Chevrolet Silverado High Country. The Chevrolet Silverado High Country is Chevy's top luxury trim, and it's designed for drivers who want both style and strength. Inside, you'll see leather seats, wood trim, and a large touchscreen with built-in Google features. One of its coolest options is Super Cruise, which lets the truck drive hands-free on certain highways. It also comes with a unique multifunction tailgate that makes loading and unloading much easier. Under the hood, you can choose between a strong V8 or a powerful diesel engine, both with impressive towing capacity. The High Country is perfect for people who want a stylish, tech-filled truck that's still built to work hard when needed. 7. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is unlike anything else on the road. With its sharp, futuristic design, it looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. But it's not just about looks. The top model packs incredible electric power, going from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds. It can tow up to 14,000 pounds and travel hundreds of miles on a single charge. Plus, it has advanced self-driving features, making it one of the smartest trucks out there. Inside, the Cybertruck is minimal but modern, with a giant screen, a glass roof, and a spacious cabin. For people who want cutting-edge technology and bold style, the Cybertruck is the ultimate choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the world of cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.